Kitsy, Kitsy, roll, show the world is pretty magic, you know. Come on with me, Kitsy, 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 Kitsy. I will show to you all the places we'll go, all the things that you know. Go, Kitsy, go, 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 go.
KitsyTV.
Hello kids and welcome to KitsyTV. If you are here for the first time, don't worry. All you have to do is subscribe and then you will be the part of the team. Woohoo! Okay, today we are in the jungle. Woohoo! We're gonna explore and find some animals and some plants. Are you ready, Kitsy Knots? Let's go!
KitsyTV.
Oh, Kitsy Knots! I have a surprise for you. I heard that in the jungle there are a lot of clues. And if we follow those clues, maybe we could find the treasure. What do you think about that? Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Kitsy Knots, I heard that the cheetah has the news about the clue, so let's ask him. Hello, Mr. Cheetah. What do you know about the clue? Oh, Mr. Cheetah says that we have to look down. Oh, I found it! The first clue, Kitsy Knots. And the first clue says, reach the highest point. So, it means we have to climb up. Let's go. Look what I found. I found a rabbit and he needs something. Here it is. And I also found a chicken. Okay, wait. The chicken wants to say something. Let's listen. Oh, he said that he laid an egg. And there is something inside, so let's check it. Kitsy Knots! It's the second clue! And the second clue says, cross the bridge. It's over there. Let's go!
KitsyTV.
Kitsy Knots, maybe this monkey could tell us where is the next clue. Let's ask him. Mr. Monkey, where is the next clue? He says that the next clue is under this tree. I found it! The next clue says that we have to slide down. And we have to slide down here. Let's go. Nuts, what is this? Oh, maybe it's the big treasure we were searching for. Yes, it is. We found it. Yeah! Wow! It's so beautiful. Wow! Kitsy Nuts, look! She has the purple hair and she's so beautiful and smart. Wave! Hello! Wow! Kitsy Nuts, it's time to say goodbye, but I had so much fun. And if you want to see more videos, you just have to type KitsyTV on YouTube. Okay, see you soon and bye!
Kitsy, 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 roll.